Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates. So we've had this patient come through to see myself. As you can see, very sticky, light material in this ear. So we've got a big wax plug, which looks like it's kind of cased with dead skin. So we've got the standard size on the tube here that we're just popping in with. Now, straight away you can already see it's breaking away in little tiny bits, so it's going to be putting up a bit of a fight for us, this one. What I could have done to start with is put a little bit of oil in to try and help me, but obviously I do like a bit of a challenge, so we've obviously gone straight in dry here. So we got patients chatting to us as well at the same time, so we've got a bit of wiggling, a bit of movement going on here. Patient has been using some oil beforehand. Which is the other reason why I didn't really use much today. And you can see it's really stuck to the ear canal, so we're really going to have to give this a good old wiggle here. Suction's obviously not doing much for us at the moment. Oh, we're still sticking with the suction tube. I think we do swap tools in a second. This is one of a regular patient of ours, actually. This particular patient tends to have their ears looked at, varies between 6 to 12 months. And this is a longer stage, so this will be more of like a 12-month follow-up that we've had for this patient. So you can see we're trying to get a little grip on the wax, and the idea here is that we're going to get a grip on this wax and we're going to try and lift to try and peel this off the ear canal. But it's just so sticky. Yes, quite painstaking, these wax removals. You can almost kind of see around the edges where we said this dead skin was, this dry skin. As we're lifting, you can almost kind of see it stretching slightly. Is this where we swap tools? No, we're still in with the suction. Sorry guys, it's been a little while since I've done this one, so I can't quite remember what stage I swapped the tools over. So I can see that there is, it is kind of it's one big piece. And with it being so tightly compacted in here, we actually struggle. There's not much room for wiggle room. Wiggle room? Yeah, wiggle room. So we are getting a little bit of movement here. So we are starting to detach this from the ear canal wall. It's just slowly wiggling. So you can see underneath there, we've got a little tiny gap there now. So we are getting somewhere with this one. So we're starting to loosen this away. A lot of patients actually notice quite an improvement straight away as soon as we create that little gap in the ear. So we do always warn people that the volume of the suction may progressively start getting louder as the wax starts coming out. So you obviously don't hear this on the videos, but the suction tube almost kind of sounds like you've got your head out of a moving car. It's quite a windy noise. Oh, it's really putting up a fight for us, this. Again, I'm trying to detach it now from the sides of the ear canal, but it's just not going anywhere for us. So we're popping the trusty Jobson horn in here, trying to just get into that little gap that you can just see at the top there. The one thing I have in my head with this type of wax, because the outer edge is so sticky, the one thing we risk when we're using a Jobson horn with this type of wax is that we can create, or you kind of see it already, we create this like trench going through the center of the wax, and it re-sticks the wax to the outer the ear canal walls. Can't think straight today, guys, sorry. So again, I'm just gently, very slowly, obviously we can't rush anything like this. So what I'm hoping is now that we're going to get a good grip on that plug, and as I start to bring this forward, I'm kind of hoping it's going to pull the back section forwards, but it's just not. We're just breaking little bits away at the moment. Again, the oil can help quite a bit, but when it's really full like this and it's completely filling most of the ear canal, the oil will only tend to get underneath this wax if we have managed to detach it from the ear canal. It's so frustrating because you can see there's well, I can see, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's movement to it. So as we're just kind of just breaking into this wax with the Jobson horn, I can see the rest of the plug is starting to move. There you go, you can see the sides here starting to cut, but obviously the other side is not moving at all, so we've obviously broke this this side section away here. But that's okay. We've now created a little bit of extra space in the ear. So now that there we go, you can see we've started to break away this front section. So we're just going to take away this next section here. I feel like I'm talking quite a lot, guys, sorry. I'll try to give you little gaps just to give you a little bit of a break. So right at the top of the wax there, I'm just pointing at the screen, right at the top of the wax, you can see there's now a much bigger gap that we've managed to create. So we go back in with the suction here now. So now that we have created a bit more space, we've got a bit more wiggle room. So I'm going to try and get a really good grip on this section here. Give it a really good wiggle just to break this front section away. There we go. Oh, you can see how sticky. It can be quite difficult wax removals, these ones, to do. Difficult and frustrating. Here we go. We're gonna really wiggle our socks off here in a second. So you can kind of see it. Very, very strange consistency. Even though the outer edge is quite sticky, you can see I'm losing my grip of the suction quite a lot here. So I'm having to try and hold the suction tube onto the wax while we wiggle, because as we're gently pulling, we're actually losing that suction grip. It's really, really, really stuck in here, this one. But we are getting there. I can see this plug is moving forward. Here we go. We're a good lift there. A little bit of a wiggle. Here we go. Circular motions to try and walk this out of the ear canal. Oh, come on, come on. Here we go. Excellent. There we are. Ouchie pops. Brilliant. Oh, it's just, we've just broke away a bit of dry skin. It is right on the entrance of the ear canal, this here. Now I could probably grab this with my fingers, but we're gonna go in back with a suction. Here we go. Oh, you can see us losing that grip, even on the outer edge of the outer section of the ear canal, near the entrance. There we go. It's quite a big plug actually we've removed there. And here we go, eardrum looking nice and healthy. So we got quite lucky there, because sometimes these can leave quite a lot of debris around the ear canal, but we've got quite lucky there. So here we go. So we got a just under 1.5 inches. We got just 3.5 centimeters, roughly. Oh, I forgot to mention, guys, I'm doing a Rhys now. If you do like the page, guys, and if you do like the videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and press the love buttons and press the subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. So thank you very much, and I shall see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.